Hi guys, hope you are doing well. So in this video I have a specific little tip for you guys regarding catalog items and the portal settings. So this is a catalog item, and in the portal settings you have different request methods. So you can choose between order and submit and request. If you choose to request, you have an option on the portal, and that is to order for someone else. So let me go into a specific request here that we were looking at, and I can type in something here. So this is not mandatory fields, but now when I click request, I get the option to choose to request for someone else. So this is a widget, right? This request for is not a specific question variable, on the portal. This is not a question here. So as an admin, like I am now in my PDI, I can choose to request for someone else. But if I am another person, let me go to this specific incognito window. Now I'm impersonating a Joe employee. And when I now request something here, you can see this is read only for him. So let's say you want to be able to let every user be able to request for someone else. How do you do that? So I struggled a little bit to find this specific config, and I thought you maybe need to go into the specific widget and then make the code changes there to be able to do this. But after a bit of study, I found what I was needing, and that was system property. So I'm just gonna find my, here we are. So if you go into system properties, you can see this is some the roles that we, or the properties we need to change. So you can see this is set to deny. Let's look at this one first. So this is a list of roles that can be updated, that can update the requested for widget in the service catalog. So meaning that when this is empty and this is set to allow, everyone can do it. So let's do that. So we can set this one to allow. So we can just take a look at this one. Get my head out of that way. This property defines the default behavior when there are no roles given in the property. So when this is empty and this is set to allow, now every user is able to request for someone else. If you want to specify that only like people with a ITIL role can do this, for example, you can do this and comma separate, so you can comma and edit other roles. So let's try it out now. Let me just make a refresh here. And then let's go to Joe employee. Let's refresh this page as well. And now let's see if he is able to request for someone else. And now we can see Joe employee is able to choose another one. Great. So this was a very specific video, but I struggled a little bit to find the specific config, but now you know. All right, see you in the next one.